How to add AliExpress reviews to Shopify. From the left hand side, we want to go to apps here and we will search for Fera. Press enter. This will take us to the Shopify app store and we want to install this Fera product reviews app by clicking on it and then choosing install here. It will refer us back to Shopify where we can click on install near the bottom, and the application is going to look a little something like this. We don't have to create an account here. We can go to reviews directly from the left hand side and we will click on add review. Then choose import or sync and you should be able to see AliExpress in the second slot here. So if we just choose it, then we can choose a product set which we have imported. So this is from our product list. So we just choose this and then we will input the product URL right here from AliExpress. So what URL basically means is just the link. So you will copy the link. Just as an example, I'm going to do this link that I have on Shopify and you will right click, paste, and then you will click on start import here. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub and I'll see you next time.